lovely, welcome back to my channel, and it's another time with Belle. So how are you doing? I know you are doing awesome, right? As I always say, we are pulling through, so hold on and tighten your seat belt because we are pulling through, guys. Okay guys, so I want to say thank you to everybody, new and old subscribers. I really appreciate you. This channel will not be without you guys, and if you are new here, welcome and thank you for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and smash the subscription button, the notification bell, so they can get more updates from time ago. Okay guys, let's dive into the video. Okay guys, so this video we are unboxing, okay, unboxing and reviewing. Okay, so we are reviewing a hair from Amazon. Okay, so let's see. It's Amazon hair. Tight. This is headband wig. Okay, I really love packaging, Charlie. Packaging. I love packaging. I'm told packaging is all part of the production, right? Yeah, it's a business strategy. So I got this hair. So this hair is from Yolande Ferry, okay? So Yolande Ferry on Amazon, 10-inch hair, and it was $60-80, okay? $60-80 on Amazon, so affordable. So it came with a wig band, a headband, and so I got this. So if you're a makeup person, you've got brush, makeup brush free. Okay, wow, I love it. And it has a head cap in it. Wow, awesome. Okay guys, so this is the hair, 16-inch. okay, so this is human hair. Okay, so this hair is human hair from Amazon, Yolande Ferry on Amazon. Okay, human hair. So they've got this in there, so this secures, okay, it secures the wig from falling. So this is human hair, it's pure human hair. Okay, it's pure human, that's the wiggy hair band. It's pure human hair, pure human hair. Guys, this is the hair. I will recommend this hair for you, okay, because it's really cute, nice and affordable. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, it's really cute, no itchy, no shedding, nothing. Okay, so it's really cute, it's really nice. I love it. It's really nice and cute. It looks so real. Like, I mean, it's human hair, so what do you expect? Yeah, Yolande Ferry on Amazon is really nice and cute. I'm going to put the link below, okay, so that you can easily make a purchase. Okay, so guys, this is the hair with the headband. Okay, so the headband came with it, and you can choose to use any color of headband that you want. Okay, so you can change in between any kind. Okay guys, look at that. It's from Yolande Ferry. Okay, Yolande Ferry on Amazon is really quality, cheap and affordable for everybody to get some, right? So I recommend for you. I'm going to put the link to the store on the description below so that you can easily make a purchase. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe for more videos from Time with Belle. And I will see you next time. Bye. So I'll be doing more of reviews, so stay tuned, stay with me, and let's walk this journey. Bye guys, bye.